Hi, welcome to this video. To create and add your template for Instagram stories, just start a new story by hitting this story here or the plus button at the very top left. Now you can go ahead and add any design. So let's say we want to add this. Let me just find an example. Let's say this one, right? And click the arrow here to see more options at the right side panel. Tap effect, or excuse me, stickers at the very top, and you can just press add yours here, right? To pin your design elements before posting, right? So place a text, photos from your camera roll, or just onto the screen to build your template design. And basically, you can tap on the text, images, or GIFs you added so they lock into the template. A white outline or pin indicator shows they are secure, right? Then tap done, right? And post it to your story. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.